Hi everyone, my name is Lita and this is my channel. And the type of content that I will be creating here is mostly centered and related around journaling. There's many different ways to journal, and I do express myself through a variety of those. It could be junk journaling, it could be art journaling, it could be writing. I find writing very cathartic. I was an English major. Also, I have a lot of different supplies. Come on, we're supply junkies, aren't we? Jane Davenport likes to call it rainbowitis. Is where your desk explodes in pens and pencils and inks and all types of color and papers, ephemera just out the wazoo. So yes, there will be all of that as well. And finally, actually, something that I would like to end up making some videos on too is about leather care. A recent passion of mine in journaling has been with leather journals, and I have a little bit of a background with some leather care. Here in New York City, we have quite a number of clubs where people kind of like to wear that. And so I've donated my time in the past to some street events where I would boot black and take care of people's leathers. So I would like to share some of my bootblacking kit and my supplies and my leather care knowledge for those of you who love leather journals. And definitely, I'm not an expert on leather journal covers, but I think there's definitely going to be some of that that's relatable and that will transition over quite well. So I hope that you will subscribe, hit the like button, and join me again in the future. Have a good night.